Hello everybody, this is Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Unreal Engine 4. Now, this is a game development program which you can get for free on their site. Now, I'm starting to get into it because there's so much you can do with this program. I want to learn it and see what it can do. You can make games, you can make landscapes, you can make film if you want to, animation. But I've been using it and it's pretty interesting. Now, I'll be doing a series about different game engines and what they can do. There's some open source ones, there's Unity, there's all kinds, but I want to get this out there so people can start learning these softwares. Now for me, I made a video like a long time ago that I want to be an indie developer. Well, at least try it, see how it goes, and learn how to do 3D models too. You can see there's so much you can do with the software, and the community is huge. The forums and everything. I've been watching a lot of videos about all these people in the community that make. There's one for Star Trek, but that one got like shut down. One for Star Wars, all kinds of cool levels people made. And I want to get into it. So in order to download this program, you have to go on the home page here, go to download. I already have it installed, but I'm not sure everything. You have to create an account, sign up, and then once you do that, you can download it. So after you have it, it comes with an Epic Games launcher. It's their system showing what they have for games and their engine, which is pretty interesting. And just watching the videos of it, you can see what it can do and how clear the graphics are. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If anyone wants to see more of this, I'll go through the program as well. But let's go through this first, but the news about it. Right now they're having a conference about their program, and just the quality of the program, what you can make it's crazy. I mean, a lot of games that I like are made from this system as well, and a lot of remakes people made. So it's huge, and it does take a little bit to run. Depends on the computer, but once it get loaded and it works, it's pretty cool. You see the overview is probably the same thing. Yep, and it's learning, but you can go on YouTube and just watch the tutorials as well. It's community, the forums, the wiki, and events or whatever. Marketplace, they have their own little store where you can buy assets. Unity has the same thing, but here they don't have much. But they do have free runs to try out, and all you do is insert it and then it comes out. There's demos of games people made to give an idea how to start, and a lot of textures are free. They're pretty cool. Yep, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, if you have any questions, put in the comments, and have a wonderful day.